Tiger Teachers. When you are doing an art meeting and you're using Google Meet, you do have a webcam. Even if you don't have one on your computer, you do have one through your HoverCam. Let me show you how to use it. Okay, when you're in your Google Meet, as you can see, I'm using the webcam on my computer. But if you do not have a webcam on your computer, all you have to do is make sure that your HoverCam is connected to your computer. Click the three dots in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Go to Settings. Then go to Video Settings, and you're going to drop down and choose the HoverCam Solo 8. I would also double check your audio, and I'd go ahead and choose it too because it really is a great microphone and camera. And then as you can see here, I have a webcam. What you can do is set your laptop underneath and have it open and have the HoverCam coming over the top, and it'll work just like a regular webcam. So I hope that helps.